Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on a PS5 game. It is important to know that a DualShock 4 controller only works when you are playing PS4 titles on your PS5 console. For native PS5 games, you will need the newer DualSense controller. The older model simply is not supported for those experiences. This fundamental difference helps ensure optimal performance and feature compatibility. The PlayStation 5 DualSense controller includes innovative technology, like highly advanced haptic feedback and adaptive triggers, which significantly enhance gameplay. These features create a much more immersive experience, for instance, by simulating the tension of a bowstring or the feel of different terrains. PS5 exclusive titles are often built around these specific capabilities, requiring the DualSense controller to fully function and deliver the intended experience to players. If you want to play a PlayStation 4 game on your PlayStation 5 console, you absolutely can use your DualShock 4 controller. Simply connect it via a standard USB cable or pair it wirelessly through Bluetooth in your console settings. Once connected, your PS4 controller will work seamlessly for all your backward-compatible PlayStation 4 titles, allowing you to enjoy hundreds of older games with your familiar device. For the ultimate PlayStation 5 experience, always use your DualSense controller with games specifically designed for the newer console. This ensures you feel every subtle haptic sensation and the full range of adaptive trigger effects. Reserve your trusty DualShock 4 controller for those fantastic PlayStation 4 titles and enjoy the best of both gaming worlds without any confusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.